Hey, it's LpsHoney, and today we're opening some more new in-box G2 LPS, this time some Walmart exclusives. Now hold up, before you leave that dislike, let me explain myself. A couple weeks ago, I opened some other new in-box pets, and I actually lost subscribers when I made that video, and that's the first time that's happened in a long time, and I was kind of shocked. I understand if you're frustrated seeing someone open a new in-box pet, and that's completely valid, and if you don't want to watch this video, go straight ahead. I will see you next time. I don't blame you. There are times when I have seen crisp new in-box pets, and my heart has broken a little when people open them, but at the end of the day, I want to enjoy these pets, and like I said, if this video isn't for you, it's completely fine to leave, and I'll see you next time. But for those of you who want to see some G2 LPS get opened up, let's get into it. So this is the set we're going to be opening today. It is a Walmart exclusive Fanciest Pets Pet Pair Pack. Definitely a little harder to find being a Walmart exclusive, but I've seen multiple of this pack new in its box sell over the last few months on eBay, so there are still a few out there. With that being said, I'm sure you can see why I'm opening it. The elastic has degraded and the pets are flying everywhere, so I want to get them out, clean them up, and actually enjoy them because I don't really feel happy displaying them like this. If they were in their original positions and the elastic hadn't started breaking apart everywhere, I definitely would have kept them in their box because I think they look really cool with the unique red background of this box for the Walmart pets, like with the little diamonds and everything. But because they look like this, I want to open them up. But I do want to take a moment to appreciate the packaging of this set. We have some G2 LPS designs along the bottom, as well as the pet's numbers and their eye type. We have the LpsHoney logo with this turtle. I believe this turtle is meant to be the one in the pack, but the colors are very different. On the back of the packaging, we have information as well as other LPS that were released around this time. I believe these pets are also Walmart exclusives. However, fun fact, I actually got the Chihuahua and Bunny pack from a seller in Australia, and it was lacking the Walmart exclusive sticker. So that makes me think that these pets were also released in other areas, but not as Walmart exclusives, maybe exclusive to a different store. Either way, I just love looking at the illustrations on the back. We also have some of the eye type personalities listed at the top: cuddliest, littlest, fanciest, and sportiest. And a little blurb of text telling us what's included in this particular pack. Looking through the packaging, unfortunately, it doesn't seem like there's a pamphlet. So now that we've had a look at the packaging, let's actually get these pets out because I am so excited for this German Shepherd. Look guys, he's fixed. Just ignore the big rip on the side of the box. If you've seen any of my Japanese LPS packaging videos, you know that I have restored some of the packaging to display the pets, but I just want to get these little guys out. Alrighty, here's everyone straight out the box, definitely needing to remove all those gross disintegrating elastic bands. Is that Mould? I don't know. Not sure if I should be handling this pet. I'm gonna go give them a quick clean and get all of this off, and then I'll be right back. Just for reference, this is all the elastic bands I removed from the pets and accessory. It's a lot, especially when it's degraded like this. It gets super sticky and gross, and it is such a pain to clean. With that and the possible mold growth, it's definitely a good idea to open some of these older pets sometimes. Okay, everyone has had a nice thorough clean. We have been demolded, de-elastic banded. My hands were so sticky getting those elastic bands off, so I gave my hands a good scrub as well. We are clean, we are fresh, and we are ready for our close-ups. First up, our accessory. We get this little shower bath thing. I really like the color. It's very G2 LPS. I feel like they had a lot of accessories back in the day with this specific shade of blue. And of course, it fits the LPS, which is always freaking adorable. Moving on to the pets themselves, we get a German Shepherd and a turtle. The German Shepherd probably looks very similar to a more common German Shepherd, which we will talk about in a moment. But first and foremost, let's talk about the turtle. Because I've been wanting the German Shepherd in this pack for ages, and I've never really given the turtle a second look till now. And I think he's really cool. He's very unique. He has this metallic aqua shell, and his eyes are so cool and detailed. They have the diamond pattern for the fanciest pets personality type. Their mini eye shine is like a little pointy star, and then they also have a little gray swoop, giving it a almost reflection in the eye. You see a lot of customizers do that, and I just think it's really cool to see that detail on an official Littlest Pet Shop design. I feel like I've never really seen that before, and I think he's really cool. He does have a silver magnet at the bottom as well, because these are a bit of an older pet. But I definitely think he is underrated because everyone loves the German Shepherd in this set, myself included. But I think this turtle definitely needs his little moment, and I think he's so gorgeous. But let's move on to the man of the hour, a pet I have been wanting for so long. This Walmart exclusive German Shepherd. Now I want to talk about his design and just him in general before we talk about his twin, because this design is pretty much identical to a more commonly released German Shepherd. The main differences are the colors and the eyes. But taking a look at him, I love the brown tones they used. His emo eyeliner is just gorgeous, and his big diamond eyes are really adorable. He also has the little mini shines in his eyes, but he doesn't have the grey swoop that the turtle has, so he's more of a traditional LPS eye design, but still really unique and adorable. The back of him is pretty basic when it comes to a German Shepherd design, but I still think he's so cute, and he also has a little silver magnet underneath. Usually the silver magnets are super embedded into the plastic. This one is like really on display. I've never seen one like that before. I really love this pet. He is a little caramel emo pup. But before this pet, there was another. His brother, his twin, the OG of this design. So let me bring him out. You thought caramel emo was emo? Boom, his darker vampire brother. So this little guy on the left here was released before our Walmart exclusive version, and that's kind of a trend with Hasbro. They'll release LPS as exclusives that have very similar designs to previously released pets. It's cool, but also frustrating as a collector trying to get these pets because you want kind of like a color variant, but it's an exclusive and it's way more money and it can just be annoying. But I think these two look really cool together. This guy is so much more darker than I thought he was now having them side by side, because I've never owned this one in person before, and it's kind of crazy looking at them. Their overall design is virtually the same. It just comes down to color differences and, like I said, the eyes being different. Even the kind of fluffy pattern on their feet and tails are the same. So if you've ever seen these two and been confused, just know that the caramel brown with green eyes is the Walmart exclusive version of this design, and the ash colored pet with orange and blue eyes is the Get Better Center, more common version of this design. Either way, they're both really cool and I love them. Let me know which one you prefer out of these two in the comments down below. I personally love this caramel brown one, maybe because he's brand new in my collection and that's why, but I think I still prefer him either way. But that was our new Walmart exclusive Pet Pairs unboxing. I hope it was enjoyable, and like I said, if you're not a fan of these G2 unboxing videos, that's totally fair. I completely get it. I'm not gonna force you to like this, but if you do enjoy these more laid back unboxings where I kind of just nerd out about LPS, let me know, because I'd love to do more, even if it's not like more rare sets like this one. I do have other G2 sets that maybe I could open one day. There's definitely some in my collection that I never open though, but I'm open to the possibility of some more G2 unboxings if I can get my hand on cheap ones. I really loved this set, and I do think it was worth opening, especially with the possible mold growth and all the gross sticky elastic bands. I'm really happy I got them out of there, and now they can be all clean and enjoy their little life in my collection. But let me know what you think of them, and do you own any Walmart exclusive pets? Like I mentioned before, I have a couple, but they're definitely not the easiest thing to find, especially living in Australia. We don't have Walmart here, so I have to get them from places like the US, and shipping prices and exchange rates can be a nightmare. There are other Walmart exclusive pets I really want to get, but with the current LPS market, I don't see it happening anytime soon. Maybe I can trade for them, who knows. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Until then, bye guys!